Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Next, unplug and remove CMOS battery. Now unscrew solid-state drive. Now disconnect speakers. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Now unscrew and remove bracket, then disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Next, disconnect and remove DC jack. Then unscrew and disconnect power button. Next, unscrew and disconnect heatsink. Now unscrew and disconnect motherboard. Now unscrew and disconnect keyboard. Now unscrew and disconnect mouse buttons. Then unscrew and disconnect smart card cage. Now unscrew and disconnect LED board. Now disconnect and remove speakers. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. The remaining piece is the Palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.